Mahaprabhu says, and Radharani's saying, break my bones, whatever you want. But it's your ball game, man. Ashil Shiva Parvatam Banashtam Darshanam Amatam Guru. Whatever you want to do with him. So this is love. Love means the satisfaction of the other person. First. If your satisfaction is first, that's not love, that's ego love. It's not all that, whatever. And Harikatha, if we're actually hearing Harikatha, we can go 7 days with no water and no food. Parikshit went 7 days, no water, no food. He said, I'm not gonna do this water thing again. I'm not gonna fall for this water. It's because I was thirsty. I went to this Shamaka Rishi's ashram, Shamaka Rishi, and he was gone out picking somewhere, meditating, and his son was meditating or sleeping or something, trying to drop him and fall asleep. And then he didn't give me any water, and I was too thirsty, and I'm a king. I can't control my senses, Rajagun. So then I cursed him, I threw a snake on him, And then his name was Shringi, I think. And then I put a sarp on him, and he put a shop on me. I put a sarp on him, and he put a shop on me. He cursed me to die in 7 days. And so why am I dying? Because I couldn't control my thirst. So I insulted the Brahman's son, which means insulting Krishna.